the problem where VLC shortcuts or hotkeys are not working. This usually happens because VLC's global hotkeys are disabled, conflicting settings, or outdated versions. Many online solutions are complicated, but here's a simple trick that worked for me. First, open VLC and go to Tools, Preferences, Hotkeys. Make sure all the hotkeys you want are assigned and not conflicting with other programs. You can reset them to default if needed. Next, enable global hotkeys. Go to Tools, Preferences, Hotkeys, click All. Under Show Settings, navigate to Interface Hotkey Settings, fix bugs that may prevent hotkeys from working. If it still doesn't work, try running VLC as administrator. Right-click the VLC shortcut and select Run as administrator. This simple trick fixed VLC hotkeys for me when nothing else worked. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below. This is Rexicht.